Now, let's be honest, we all take selfies, but if your selfies always come out grainy, awkward, or just rough, then you're probably making one of these mistakes. And I'm not shooting with my professional camera right now, I'm using my mobile so that you can relate with me. So, the first thing is that you're using poor lighting and bad positioning, right? So, right now, you can see that I'm very lit, and that's because I'm right in front of a window. So, if I turn and face the back of the window and the light is coming from behind, you can see that I'm not evenly lit and it's really bad. So all you just have to do is turn and face the window and get enough ambient light. Talking about light, you can also come outside. It's raining at the moment, but you can also come outside and take a selfie. As you can see, it's well lit and you don't have any problem when it comes to lighting. So come outside also if you're experiencing a little bit of darkness indoors. Now, another tip that can help if you're struggling with low light is using one of these lights, which is a selfie light. All you just have to do is place it right in front of the camera and look at the difference. So this also helps with your selfie and just take a picture. Now, mistake two can be you having a busy background and it's quite clumsy. So what you have to do is just find a good spot that is not too busy and take your picture. So you turn on the portrait mode and blow out the background. Alternative is just for you to go outside or go somewhere that is not too busy and have your photos taken, and you're going to see the big difference. Mistake three would be you not having the right expressions for your pictures, because if you're taking your pictures like you're not giving the best angles and your photos will look boring and just off. Some people say they are not beautiful, but I bet to differ. You are beautiful, you just don't have the right angles to your photos. So you can look for your best side. For me, I like this side more, and when I pause, you can look at how the picture is as compared to or bringing the camera close to your face, which is just off. So I hope this video helps you. I just made it unfiltered so you can have an idea of how to shoot. And let me know in the comment section if this helps. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the like so more people see it.